Hey Sheepies, welcome to day 7 and 8 of the 30-day aspects challenge. Day 7 is a character transformation and day 8 is branded. So today for our character in branded, we are going to be transforming into Superman. So I'm going to be body painting Superman onto myself, and I'm going to be giving him the Ben Affleck Bat brand from, remember Superman? So this is part 1 of the Superman tutorial. Part 2 will have the branding and the infection and the zombie bit of the tutorial. Hey Sheepies, welcome to day 7, 8, 9 and 10. So first I've outlined Superman's cape, his suit and the emblem. Now I'm using a big fluffy kabuki brush to fill in all the blue that's on my chest. I do this in rough patches as I'm going to use my airbrush to even everything out and make it look all pretty. Next I'm filling in his cape with red body paint, just using a flat large brush. Next I go in and fill in his emblem with all the red outlining and the red S. Then I go in and fill the yellow in between each area. Now because of the blue airbrush, there were some particles in the area that made my yellow turn green. So avoid the greenness of my yellow today. Next I go in with concealer and full coverage foundation and put this all over my face and neck. Then I powder it, and now I'm contouring to give myself a more manly face. So obviously I accentuate my cheekbones and bring it down my face. I also accentuate my temples and my jawline and my nose. Then I go in and fill in my eyebrows a lot heavier than I usually would and feather them out so that they're a bit more bushy, just to give them a more manly effect. Now I start to outline my entire face in black body paint and give it a comic/pop art type of feel. I also give myself Superman's iconic curl and also give him a very straight and square hairline and fill that in and cover my red hair. Then I go in and start outlining the emblem as well as the cape and the edge of the suit, just to give everything a cohesive pop art feel. I then go in using my airbrush again and add white to my already mix of blue and give myself some highlights on my chest, my collarbones and my shoulders. Then I go in with a lighter red, which ended up being more of a pink, and starting to highlight the emblem on my suit. I also use white on top of these to further the highlight even more. So there's your completed Superman. Now this is part 1 of the Superman tutorial. Obviously you can leave it here and it's just effective, but go to part 2 if you want to get a little creepy.